Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Trends to find trending topics, analyze search data, and make smarter decisions for your content or business. If you find this video useful or helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, whether you are a content creator, a marketeer, or a business owner, Google Trends helps you stay ahead by revealing what people are searching for in real time. The first thing is you're going to open your web browser and come to URL and search for, just type in trends.google.com. As you can see here, automatically takes us to the home page. No sign in is required, and you can start exploring trends immediately. Here on the home page, you can see trending searches and also a search bar where you can search for whatever topic you want to research about. You can enter any topic or keyword to analyze. All right, so now to analyze a keyword, you can type it here in the search. For instance, Coca-Cola, this is the keyword you want to analyze. Then you can click on explore or just press enter on the keyboard. Google Trend is going to display a graph of interest over time showing how popular the term has been. But then you can filter your data by location. Right now it's on Zambia, but we can change this to worldwide. Filter by time range, by category, and search type like YouTube, news, or shopping. And Google Trend is going to display a graph of interest over time showing how popular the term has been. As you can see, it used to be very popular, but the popularity has dropped. Then sometimes it spiked, and here you can see it's going down. Now, sometimes you'd want to compare keywords. So you can click on compare and type another term like Pepsi and press enter on the keyboard. And this is going to generate the comparison between the two. Google Trend will show you how the search volume for each keyword compares over time. You can see here from this graph, Pepsi is more popular and has more search volume compared to Coca-Cola over time. You can also scroll down to see related topics and queries. This shows you what else people are searching for, giving you content ideas or insights into audience interests. For instance, when you come down here, related queries, you can click on this and make sure you are using the rising option. Look for rising searches or queries as these indicate trending topics that are gaining popularity currently. Now, to see what's trending now, you can click on trending now. This shows you daily and real-time trending topics based on location. So here you can also change this to any location of your choice. Let's say Brazil, what's trending in Brazil right now. You're able to see that these are the topics that are trending in Brazil, and you also can see the past 24 hours performance and the trend breakdown, when it started, and also the search volume. You can see how powerful these are. So you can just come here and choose any place of your choice to see the trending topics in that place. When you click on this, you get all the details. And here you can also go ahead and change the time frame, maybe the past 7 days. If you choose this one, you also see trending topics in that place or area or location that you've chosen and how these trending topics are performing currently. You can use this to create timely content or stay updated on what's happening worldwide. Google Trends is powerful for businesses and content creators. You can use it to find seasonal trends. You can use it to discover viral topics. You can also use it to optimize your content strategy. For instance, if you're running an online store, you can track when demand for certain products spikes and also so that you can plan your marketing accordingly. For instance, here you can see this is spiking, it's going up. You can plan your marketing accordingly. At this point, I'm hoping you get a clear picture of how you can use Google Trends to find valuable insights and stay ahead of trends. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more digital marketing tips just like this one. And also, if you have any questions concerning Google Trends, drop them in the comments. I'll be very happy to respond to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.